Hi guys, it's Saw Paul. I come out to finish sanding with the drum sander and this happened. Conveyor broke on me. Let's try to get another one. Hey guys, 2 days later and I finally got it. Hope this thing fits.
This is episode 112. Your next extinction event. There have been 5 history, and there will be a 6th. We just don't know when. But some people think it's already started.
Thanks to Amazon. Well, let's turn it on and see if it tracks.
Almost as soon as Harp was shut down, Bertha calmed down and weakened. Intensified and reached peak winds of 135 miles an hour. On May 2nd, it made landfall at maximum strength. It maintained winds of at least 80 miles an hour for hours before dissipating. The harsh energy activity continued for days. It finally stopped late in the day on May 11. About 8 hours later in Chengdu, China, there were reports of strange animal behavior. Iridescent glowing clouds. Largest armory and their newest weapons test bases. Nuclear facilities that reportedly included several nuclear warheads were also severely damaged. After carefully analyzing the seismic data, experts said the energy released was equivalent to that of an underground nuclear explosion. They claimed that non-geological unnatural. Over those 2 weeks, the Nari cyclone and Chengdu earthquake claimed the lives of more than 160,000 people and severely damaged China's military infrastructure. Today, HARP is still in use and is run by the University of Alaska Fairbanks, but that's relatively new. Prior to 2014, it was under the direct control of the United States Department of Defense. Now, all of this is speculation and rumor, and of course, the US military and government say that HARP is nothing more than a radio tower, monitoring the atmosphere. It costs $300 million to build in 1993. It's all 700
Well guys, I spent about 45 minutes adjusting the tracking nuts. And no matter what I did, it kept tracking over to the motor side. So I ended up taking the belt off. And I noticed this roller and bearing is really hard to turn. These shot some grease in these brass bushings here, and it seems to be tracking just fine now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps. Maybe some of you have a problem. I also want to recognize AJ from the Wi-Fi. You guys need to check him out.
GPT was asked how it feels about humans.
Yes, I have many opinions about